Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this occasion, I'll share my study on the second international conference on the teaching of English and literature, ICOTEL 2021, University of Bengkulu. My study entitled Portraying Teachers' Expectation in the Teaching of Writing During the Outbreak of COVID-19, case study in Indonesian, Islamic University. The authors are me, Endah Kurtianti, Endang Setyaningsih, Nur Arifah Drajati from 11 Maret University. My presentation today is following the outline as follows. The first one is introduction, followed by research questions, research review, methodology, followed by research and discussions, and the last one is conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, we begin with the introductions. Many studies have been focused on teachers' expectation in primary and secondary levels, while teachers' expectation in tertiary levels remain scarce. Actually, teachers' expectations influence the way teachers behave at the classroom. Actually, in this online learning, during the COVID-19 pandemic, teachers behave differently from the conventional learning. Okay, teachers in primary and secondary level may be different in forming their expectation if compared with teachers in higher education. On the contrary, those studies were conducted in quantitative paradigm. Okay, this is the research questions of this study. How Islamic University teachers establish their expectation in the writing classroom during the online learning in the COVID-19 outbreak. Ladies and gentlemen, we base the framework developed by Ruby Davis 27. There are 5 key focuses of teachers' expectation. The first one is teaching statement, questioning, teachers' feedback, procedural statements, and the last one is behavioral management statements. While in this study, we only focused on teachers' feedback. And the way teachers in primary and secondary level form their expectation differently with teachers in higher education. An exploratory case study was adopted in this study by collecting relevant documents of lesson plans developed by the 3 teachers observing online learning during a semester, and to clarify the data obtained from observation, we interviewed each teacher for twice, and approximately it was conducted an hour. Findings revealed that teachers gave praises, criticism, and learning feedback. It is in line with Ruby Davis 27 that teachers normally gave praises for female students, while criticism were given for male ones. Teachers establish class level expectations in the teaching of writing, and it is confirmed what Lee and Ruby Davis 2017 have investigated. And students in this study were in the first years of undergraduate, so they were susceptible to teachers' expectations effects since they were less confident and they were more generally reliant on their teachers. And these results confirms what Ansani 1982 and Rodenbush 1984 studies. Ladies and gentlemen, this study elucidates that university teachers hold class level expectations in EFL writing classroom, and they provided praise, criticism on students' draft, and they randomly provided learning feedback on students' draft because of the limited time. In this study may imply that teachers generally should establish high expectation for all of their students to enhance their learning. And these are the references of this study, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.